We are going inside now into the museum.
Dito po na.
Nossa, tinha fatia. Fatia.
Pilipino din si Sir.
Foreigner po.
Foreigner. Okay, sir. Si Sir. Name, sir, and nationality.
What here?
Your name and nationality.
Okay.
Taga saan ka?
Dito lang din po. Sa Payatas.
Nationality, sir. It's okay, sir. Letters po. Wala po. Ito, nilagay mo lang lahat na pera mo. Ano po? Dimension lang dito. Sige, tawagin mo na. Magandang hapon po. Welcome sa Museo ni Manuel Quezon. At maaari kayo mag-take ng picture po, no flash. At huwag din mag-vlog o TikTok. No vlogging, sir, inside the museum.
No record?
Personal videos, it's okay. Not vlogging is not allowed.
Not for YouTube or something.
Yes.
Okay.
Iwasan na lang umawak sa mga exhibit, huwag din pumatong sa mga platforms. Yun ang natutuwa na yung display.
Sige po.
Sige po, sa gusto mag-donate, ito yung ating box. Exit kayo kabilang side. Salamat, sir, salamat. Kaliwa po, start nyo. Ay, kaliwa.
This is the start of the
Oh, this is the...
picture daw of flash. Certificate of Completion, President Manuel Quezon, finished Bachelor of Arts.
The certificate of the school. Maybe this is what him, huh?
This is President Quezon. Yes, when he was a general, he was a commandant. Yes, for the Philippine Revolution. His wife.
What is this?
President Quezon's wife.
Aurora.
First Lady Aurora Quezon.
Ah, she has a lot of... Ah, this is the bed. Bed and... All right. Uh-huh. 1920s, Quezon was discovered of tuberculosis.